we're gonna make the world famous TikTok pasta. We have our ingredients here. So we're supposed to get cavatappi noodles. I couldn't find any, so I decided to substitute.
Okay, a disclaimer is that most of the supplies were hard to find. So apparently blocks of feta cheese as well as the noodles are sold out in a lot of places because of this video. Yep. I had no idea it was so popular. I found it and I sent it to Andrew and said, hey, this looks delicious, let's make this. And then apparently it's a huge trend. So we're hopping on the trend, we're gonna make it, and we hope we make it well. The only thing is we're not in our own kitchen. If you haven't watched our last video, go check it out. We're in a beautiful little cabin for the weekend. But you know, a lot of the kitchen supplies are new to us, and there's not necessarily every single type of kitchen supply, and we're kind of low on salt and pepper.
And I actually don't even know if there is salt and pepper. So
yeah. We were told there would be, but
yeah, we have a crap ton of garlic, so that's probably gonna be the main ingredient. You're supposed to get a big block of feta cheese. We decided to pick this up.
This is the only feta we could find.
It'll be just as good. And then obviously just a crap ton of olive oil.
Lots. Lots of tomatoes.
And then fresh basil.
It might not taste how it should taste,
but it still might be good.
Yeah, it will be good. Another difference we're gonna do is instead of baking it, we're gonna make it on the stovetop. Just because, you know, we don't have the supplies and it might be a little bit easier. So we're gonna start with the tomatoes in there. So we're adding some olive oil and then salt and pepper and then the feta. Aha! We have some salt. Well, at least they're gonna be salty. Making the pasta.
Tomatoes are going. About to chopping up some garlic. Get some basil going. And then feta is probably gonna go in after the garlic.
Beautiful.
Well, I got parsley instead of basil, so we're gonna have to put that in there, I guess. I don't know if it's gonna make it taste any different.
If you are directly substituting parsley for basil, you will get a very different flavor. It'll be fine. A nice little sprinkle of it. Oh, yep. That's gonna be good. You rinsed it though, right? And lastly, the pasta. So here we go. I think we have plenty of pasta for 2 people. Come on over, everyone. We have enough to feed a village.
Here's a first look at our pasta on a plate. Our TikTok pasta and our Caesar salad from yesterday.
We're gonna have one of our favorite wines that we used to drink all the time in Madrid, and Andrew happened to find it at Total Wine after extensive research. El Coto. We love it.
Voila.
Cheers. Right, moment of truth. Cheers.
Cheers. Pasta cheers.
Hey, that's pretty good.
The garlic definitely helps.
Yeah. And the feta's kind of has a lot of flavor on its own, so I feel like the salt there. Definitely some basil would be nice, and pepper, but overall, this is rather tasty.
The thing about El Coto is that we used to do a thing in Madrid called Wine Wednesday. One of our friends had a little get-together at his place on Wednesday nights, and we would just go to the local store and pick up a cheap bottle of wine. And I was like, me and Jennifer were in there, and we were just like, oh, that, like, it looks cool. And it was like €4. So we just decided to get that bottle, and then we actually really enjoyed it. So every Wine Wednesday, we'd buy a bottle of El Coto. And here we are.
All thanks to Mustafa's Wine Wednesday.
Yeah, shout out to Mustafa.
Thank you so much for watching.
We really enjoyed the pasta. Highly recommend that you try it yourself if feta cheese ever returns to supermarkets, and same with the cavatappi.
The pasta.
The pasta.
We have a lot of cleaning to do, so that's what we'll be doing for the next, 30 minutes or so. But thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned by subscribing to our channel and watch our next video. All right, thanks y'all.
Bye.